the utility room. We're gonna shut the power off and tag it. So no one open this, just me. So I'm tagging it for safety.
Okay, ya.
We make sure the furnace off. I'm checking here the pilot with the valve open, the pilot off, so that way I'm verify that all the gas is off. Instead of taking parts, you can see everything's off. Yep, everything's off. So we're ready to start working in here.